Hi there, welcome back. If you've been following the previous set of tutorials, you have noticed that I have been clicking down on the timeline, clicking the first frame and the last frame, and clicking the time and changing this. So what I'm doing when I'm doing that is changing the frame rate. And the frame rate is really important because it determines how fast or slow or how smooth or jagged our animation appears to be. So if I do half a second, it is a lot slower, and say if I did, zero point 0.1 seconds, it will be a lot faster. The thing that you can do with these animations is that you can change the frame rate of each frame. So let's say I wanted my chocolate cone to start out at 1 second, and then I wanted, I can change these different ones. The blue one I can change to 2 seconds, and you'll notice when I play the animation, these frames will stay on the screen longer. So there's the blue cone for 2 seconds. This can be really useful for some animations if you want one object to stay on the screen longer. So let's just say in this animation where it cycles really quickly, I want it to stay on the corners longer. I would just go to these frames and let's change this to zero point 0.2 seconds, and then I'll go to this frame, zero point 0.2 seconds, the green, there it is, 0point 0.2 seconds. And really what you could do is kind of create an easing effect where it's easing into the corners rather than just like cycling through normally. So now when I play it, you'll notice that it will stick in the corners a little bit longer. Pay attention to the frame rate of your frames. You don't want your animation going so fast that the viewer can't see it, but you also don't want your frames so slow that it's hard to follow what's going on in your animation.